Welcome to the Acrylic Arts Academy, where the world learns to paint. Today we delve into the fascinating world of art, exploring a concept that may seem simple yet possesses the power to transform your canvas into a masterpiece. It's all about the foreground and the background. Ever gazed at a painting and wondered how the artist managed to create such depth? It's as if you could step right into the scene, isn't it? That, dear friends, is the magic of foreground and background. Consider the works of the master himself, Vincent Van Gogh. His painting Starry Night showcases the concept beautifully. The swirling stars and the dark brooding cypress tree that seems to leap off the canvas. That's your foreground. The quaint village and the rest of the landscape subtly blending into the background, providing context and depth. That's your background. This concept is not exclusive to Van Gogh. Step back in history and you'll find the same principle in the works of Leonardo da Vinci. His iconic piece, Mona Lisa, has a detailed figure in the foreground, while the dreamy, distant landscape in the background creates a sense of depth and perspective. Now think about your own painting journey. Picture your canvas. What would you place in the foreground? What would recede into the background? Remember, the foreground is your storyteller. It's the part of your painting that demands attention, the star of your show. The background, on the other hand, is your supporting cast. It sets the stage, adds context, and gives depth to your masterpiece. And there you have it. The secret to creating depth and perspective in your paintings. The secret that masters like Van Gogh and Da Vinci employed in their works. The secret that now you too can use to transform your canvas. But wait, there's so much more to learn, so many more secrets to unveil. Make sure you don't miss out on any of them. So do hit that subscribe button. And remember the little bell icon next to it. Click on it and you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So go ahead, give your painting depth and dimension. Use the power of foreground and background to create your masterpiece. And while you're at it, why not give this video a thumbs up and spread the love for painting? Remember, every stroke of your brush brings you one step closer to your masterpiece. Keep painting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Until next time, happy painting!